Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Hadian citayo ka jingsong than kata hakateo balala Hynne kasngi ka santarik uyayong ka yeng Dorbar thawan ka jala kelasdang biangi ka Dorbar Mang Tyngka Iatai Halor kimat Bapher ki balawan ra da kalyang sencar kumjo kalyang persya Hynne kasngi ru nalor ka Iatai Halor kimat Bapher ki balawan ra da kalyang persya kumjo kalyang sencar khamtam ki bedai berkimat ki bathawi la ki jong ki constituency na kalyang ka MLA jong ka sang congress ka kong amprin lingdo kalabo jingkali Halor kamam jong ka jala Meghalaya na menteri bedai khmi yakatnat revenue and disaster management na kalyang MLA kalyang persya uba David nongrom ulapan jing panchay na katnat PHE Halor ka scheme art pada farm Sngi combined water supply scheme na kalyang zenet sangma ulapan jing panchay na katnat fishery Halor katno ka jing penmi dokha hakani ka jala hakisisnem hakini sansnem balalen na kalyang MLA Klemseng na Moplang constituency uba SK Sun ulabo jingkali hayeng Dorbar la kalong ka basishan bakatnat puli puthi ka jala ka penslori ki school secondary ban kanteu kordan no shaki higher secondary school ki badan hakitai nong kandong ban light na ka jingjor ka jingwan keu ki samla puli shaki bentasar lalaki ha ban puli ki kerdan bahalor hadien ka matrek na kalyang MLA ka seng congress na Umroy constituency uba George Bilingdo pan ulabo jingkali hayeng Dorbar Halor ka jingbo police outpost jong ka Sarkar Assam hakawai ni kisnong hapo block 2
So you see that the Assam government has stopped construction of police outposts there at Guru village after the intervention of the Deputy Commissioner of Police. However, some has learned that just after the phase of the intervention of the Deputy Commissioner, the Assam authorities have again started the work of construction of the outposts. And I have received pictorial evidences of the same, and based on the means have also been erected and put in place at that particular point where the police outpost has been reached. So my suggestion is, in spite of the fact that there is an ongoing dialogue between the chief secretaries of Assam and Meghalaya, why is such an incident? And even though such high-handedness of the Assam authorities is not new, I would like to know as to why the incident is still happening. Moreover, sir, the Assam authorities also, we see that they have the audacity again to start the construction after the receipt of the oil has been revealed, and because they have to stop the work. Now some structures are in place, and I want to know from the state government, sir, whether it is the intention to demolish the structures or remain in place as has been declared by the Assam authorities. So these are the two concerns that I would like to submit to the Office House. I would like to also place on the board my gratitude to the DC of the Voice and the Honorable Home Minister who responded at the time when we reported the first incident of the construction in Dorbar. And so as well as the Ministry of that the state government will take more steps in reassuring the people of the north as well as the entire block area and undisputed areas of the state so that we are in safe hands and that we are there. This few words are having.
I want to George Window, who has taken the zero hour notice in this August House on the news item that appeared in the Sngi dated 21st March 2018 under the caption Sngi Ka Sarkar Assam Bandu Police Outpost Thnam. Assam Police has stopped setting up a police outpost at Hynne. So reports have been received that on 4th of November 2017, the Assam officials visited Guru village under block 2, close to Tirso village under the right Riboy district, with a view to set up a police outpost at Guru village. The Khasi population decided in block 2 have expressed resentment against the move made by the Assam government or encroachment to their land.
where some certain sort of assistance have been given to the different partners who are engaged in producing fish.
The beneficiaries we have 23,509 beneficiaries today.
In the whole of state, sir, which district is producing the highest quantity of fish?
And I don't have a report from Minister. If the Minister